How to use an ATM machine. First, insert your debit card into the machine. Second, select your language if necessary. Then, enter your account's secure 6-digit PIN number. After that, once the menu screen pops up, select whether you want to withdraw money, deposit money, transfer money, make a payment, or take your account balance. Then, to withdraw money, select Withdraw menu and set the amount of money you'd like to withdraw. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your transaction. When the transaction is complete, the money will come out from the ATM. Finally, your ATM card will come out too. Don't forget to take and save it.